For decades since independence, St. Lucia courts have operated on a paper and pen system that seems more like something from the 19th century than from the digital age. However, today, the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court launched the St. Lucia Criminal Module, marking a significant step towards digitizing and modernizing the court services. Senior Magistrate Mrs. Christine Fulshire explained.
The E-Litigation Portal brings us closer to the ultimate goal of a fully digitized judicial case management system, which I believe will unlock undoubted benefits for the reduction of delay of our existing paper-based system, and therefore tackling and I believe eventually eliminating a lot of the problems that plague our courts, in particular backlog cases and the need for adjournment. And I say need because oftentimes they're unavoidable.
Having highlighted the environmental benefit of a paperless system and the reduction in storage spaces for documents, the senior magistrate focused on the overall benefit of this initiative.
No more waiting in long queues. Hopefully these long queues outside magistrates' courts and all of our courts will become a thing of the past. I really look forward to that day. It has caused many issues, many problems, and much unfairness. Simply waiting outside of a court for the entire day just to hear your matter heard, and sometimes and oftentimes adjourned, is a very difficult thing.
Attorney General Honorable Leslie Mondesi observed how this launch matches the government's transition to a paperless system.
This coincides with the vision of the government of St. Lucia through its continued e-service integrated platform, DigiGov, and the government's commitment to improving the justice system as a whole. The reduction in the backlog of cases in the criminal justice system will receive relief with the completion of the Halls of Justice project. We are presently working on this Halls of Justice project.
Honorable Mario Michel, Acting Chief Justice of the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court, compared the traditional means of filing to the ease that the e-litigation portal will provide.
Gone are the days when every document to be filed in court proceedings in the High Court had to be printed and at least 3 copies had to be physically filed at the High Court office between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. from Mondays to Thursdays, and between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. on Fridays. With the introduction of the e-litigation portal, court documents may be filed anywhere, at any time, and on any device. So that, for instance, you can file a defense in a High Court civil case in St. Lucia, or submissions in an appeal at 6 a.m. or 6 p.m., whether by a beach in Barbados, or by a bar in Bermuda, or even for that matter, near a brawl in Bhutan, all on your cell phone.
The Acting Chief Justice elaborated on the practical benefit of the new system.
Once the originating document, such as a claim form or notice of appeal, is personally served by the party instituting the court proceedings, along with an authorization code, the other party or parties to the proceedings have virtually immediate and unrestricted access to the portal. Thereafter, all documents filed on the portal are deemed to have been served on all parties to the case immediately upon their being filed, thus eliminating the need for physical service of documents on litigants and lawyers wherever they may be located, whether in or out of the country.
St. Lucia is the 4th member state of the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court after the territory of the Virgin Islands, Grenada, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines to implement this module. The criminal module is designed to revolutionize the management of criminal proceedings by providing a comprehensive electronic document filing and services for all cases, criminal, civil, family, and traffic, all of which is aiming to cut down on delays in the delivery of justice. For Choice News Now, I am Direct Lionel.